What do we think? All right, I'm gonna try this out finally. I've had this in my collection for a while. It's the IMethod Beauty Winged Eyeliner Stamp. I'm not a huge winged liner person. I have a lot of space here, I understand that, but I do have a hood right there, okay? So if I try to do a wing, it can be very frustrating. So let's see how this goes. Why do they give you two? It takes me a second, but I get there. Left wing is labeled right here, dummy. Let's go for it. Where do I want it to sit? Okay, that's not bad. This part right here is lined up just so that I could connect a liner there. This might not be bad. This is nerve-wracking because this is my left hand. So I'm gonna stretch my eye out like this. This is the eye that's more hooded than the other. See? There, I've lost it. But it's not bad. I do lose it, do you see? But it's still not bad. I don't lose it as much on this side. Did I get it even? I think I got it even. So let's fill this in. See right here, I wanna actually blend that in. Anyway, let's just go with it. It's getting harder and harder to see. This age thing is no fun. I don't mind aging, but I do mind my eyes aging. That I'm finding difficult because I really like to see. I'm doing this way too thick. You don't have to do that. I want to taper, taper, taper. And connect. This is hard because this eye's my bad eye. I'm looking in a magnifying mirror, but still hard. Now I normally wouldn't pull my eye back like this doing liner, but I already have the shape, so it's not really gonna affect that. I just wanna hold my skin nice and tight here so it doesn't skip. I'm just gonna, I'm afraid to ruin it. See that little right there needs to go down a little bit. Oh, that's interesting. So if you go over it a couple times, do you see how it's removing right here? Is that because I'm holding it like this and like a marker, you have to hold it down? Let me hold it down. I'm gonna just set it down for a second. Oh, I think that's what it was. Actually, I'm kind of impressed. What do we think?